fucking robot!
And I told the cops the same thing, which will look the same.
The fucking robot! Burn the fucking robot! Burn the fucking robot!
It is a symbolic protest against electronic music, kind of like the encroachment of technology upon, like real bands with real instruments. That's what I think.
It means we're burning down the system.
What's it mean to you?
That we do it every year, I think because of Andy, and we have to burn it. The robot must burn.
I feel like burning the robot, like what society or everybody else thinks that you should be as a person, and everybody here is so different in their own way. That, like, fuck society, fuck labels, fuck what you think. We're gonna burn that image right now. We're gonna have a great time.
You know, some people might think it's kind of like creepy, like cultish type stuff, but like, it's fucking burn the robot, man.
The first time I saw Burning Up the Robot, it was really, really strange to me. It was like, what the fuck is going on here?
Really good fire.
Do what?
Arson.
Arson. Do what?
Arson.
Arson. Do what?
Arson.
Arson.
Well, I'm just
Reach
worried.
deep down in there and pull it
I'm just
out.
worried about the 5-gallon bucket of gas in the middle of it.
Burning the robot means to me, I haven't been here yet, so I'm excited to see something burn. Robots are cool. Burning robots is kind of a cool thing, so that's all I got.
Yeah, burning the robot to me just seems like a raging party.
It's like starting over. You know, it's like that in the summer, it's a new season. You kind of like think about all this shit that you don't want in your life anymore.
You know, I don't know if you've met me, but I'm very selfish, self-absorbed. I don't give a shit about the world around me.
Of course not.
I literally I love to see shit burn. And I love to see my friends dancing around shit burning. So that's pretty much, that's why I come here. Thank you. Move along.
Burning the Robot is a New Orleans style funeral for the weekend. We all get to live the birth and death of Widow's Peak and Widow's Harvest. And that is the final note. It's good, he gets it out of the system.
That's what it's about.
It's a sturdy damn robot.
Oh, here we go.
7.0.
What?
Oh shit.
Yeah, here you go. What does burning the robot mean to you?
Burning the robot means a separation from technology for a weekend. We get to go to church and be with our people. We get to experience togetherness. We get to feel, music and coming together and just kind of touching in a different way. And getting rid of all our material possessions for a couple days and burn that fucking robot.
Yes. Fuck yeah.